Have you experienced having your Samsung Galaxy suddenly go completely black and pressing the side button does absolutely nothing? In many cases, the phone may simply be frozen and unresponsive rather than completely dead. There is one thing you can do to make your phone power up again, and this is based on reports from Galaxy users. Force restart your phone. This is the most effective solution you can do if your phone stopped responding. To do it, press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons even if the screen stays black. After around 15 seconds, the phone should vibrate or show the Samsung logo. Once the logo appears, release the buttons and let the phone start normally. If nothing happens after 20 seconds, keep holding a little longer. On some Galaxy devices, the restart can take up to 60 seconds. If your Samsung Galaxy still won't turn on, try these. Charge the phone for at least 30 minutes. Try another charging cable, adapter, and wall outlet. Check the charging port. Look for lint, dirt, corrosion, or bent pins that could prevent the charger from making proper contact. Have the phone inspected, and if the phone still rings, vibrates, or makes notification sounds, even though the screen stays black, the phone itself may still be running and the display may be the problem. That's it for this guide. I hope that I've been able to help you. If I did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.